Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and configure Nagios 4 on Ubuntu 22.04. First, run the update commands on your Ubuntu system to ensure you're on the latest release. When the system is upgraded and rebooted, you need to install the packages required to build Nagios Core on Ubuntu Linux. Next, check the releases page for the latest Nagios available. This command will download and extract the Nagios Core archive to your current working directory. Then, change to the created Nagios folder. After extracting the archive, run the configure script. Run the following command to compile the main program and CGIs. Next, create user and group. Now, install Nagios Core. Continue to install the init script. Next, install and configure permissions on the directory for holding the external command file. Continue to install sample config files. Next, install the Apache config file for the Nagios web interface. Then, install the exfoliation theme for the Nagios web interface. Now, a user is required for accessing to Nagios web console. Nagios plugins are used to extend Nagios monitoring features. Let's ensure they are installed. Now, check for the latest release of Nagios plugins from the GitHub releases page. Next, change to the plugin source directory. Then, compile and install Nagios plugins by running the following commands. Now, confirm that your Nagios installation was successful on the Ubuntu Linux machine. You should get the following output if the installation of Nagios was successful. Next, start and enable the Nagios service to start at boot. Then, confirm that the Nagios service is running. If you have a UFW firewall, allow HTTP and HTTPS ports for inbound traffic. Now use your browser to access the Nagios dashboard by the following URL. Input the credentials for the user created earlier. Then, you should get to the Nagios administration dashboard.